Reading confirmed green. Beginning tension sequence alpha.
Alpha sequence confirmed, Supervisor. Tension holding steady.
Rigging confirmation complete.
Maintain tension on all lines. Wind speeds increasing at altitude.
Copy that. Adjusting vector. Keep the sand clear. All right, tension is set. Clear the chain now. Chains are clear. Keep lifting. Stand moving in position. Make sure the tape is secure on the runoff channel. Roger that. I'm sealing the starboard side now. There's the trimmer. Keep the nozzle pointed down. Stand back. We have a breach. RJ alignment is stable. Moving to start check now. Okay, confirming the readings on screen. Looks like we have a hot spot at frame 7.
The successful detachment of the starboard wing marks a critical phase in the dismantling process, revealing the complex internal structure.
The actuator linkages are completely seized here. We're looking at significant corrosion. Agreed. This is beyond standard repair protocol. Look at the pitting on the blade. We're definitely going to need a specialized solvent here.
Yeah, the corrosion is worse than expected. The bore scope confirms the depth of the damage.
The 4 Pratt & Whitney turbofans are now fully rebuilt and certified, ready for the final paint stage before reinstallation.
Confirming alignment on the forward mounts.
Roger that. Slowly lower the aft. Watch the hydraulics.
Final torque sequence initiated.
Verified. Move into hydraulics.
Voice up. Easy now. Clear on this side. Set the jack. Working the main strut hole now. Lubrication complete. Initiating system check.
Actuators engaging smoothly. Full range of motion achieved. Nominal.
Make sure the torque is set correctly on those tie downs. Roger that.